each other. Ain't that sweet? I'm getting ready to go put him some feed out. Oh. Oh. Listen. I love it. He's so happy. For all that singing, he's going to get some seed. Yep, going to get it right now. Can you see these birds? That blackbird is after that buzzard. He must be getting too close to his nest. He dive bombs them. Watch, see? Boom! Well, don't spread too far apart. I can't. There he goes. Ooh, he hit him that time. There he goes. See, he's after him. He's running him off. It's a crow or a blackbird and a buzzard. Look. Shoot, they went behind a tree. Maybe they'll come back. Oh. There's the other one over there. Flying around. That's a hawk. That's not a buzzard. Because he's got a white belly. That might have been a hawk too. Because I think that, Sky sure is pretty. Because I think that, there they are again. He's still after him. I think that buzzards eat roadkill. I don't think they rob nests. There they are, right there. Watch them. Look, see? He's mad at him. He's running him off. That's a hawk. He's a red-tailed hawk, too. Look, there they are. Look at them. Gosh, I hope I'm getting them because I'm almost blinded out here. Yeah. Beautiful red-tailed hawk. Oh, hear it? Glasses on. There they are. Oh. Oh, shoot. He is really running him off. Yeah, those hawks, they can really be nest robbers. He is really not liking him. Get out of here. But one of those hawks right there was sitting in my backyard right up on top of my bird feeder one day. I looked out the back door and I was like, oh! I got him on video. I put him on here. He's on one of these videos, one of my videos. Okay, I guess that's enough for right now. But I thought that's pretty interesting.